Hey guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're gonna be making these delicious mangonadas. Stay tuned. We're gonna start by peeling our mangoes. These mangoes are a little riper than normal, but that's perfect for this recipe because that means I gotta add less sugar later on. Go ahead and keep peeling both of your mangoes until you're done. These mangonadas take me about 20 minutes to make, but I promise that they're so worth it, especially if you love mango and chamoy. These mangoes smell so sweet, I really don't think I'm gonna need any extra sugar. Alright, let me go ahead and concentrate on peeling these mangoes. Now that our mangoes are all peeled, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting them off the seed. This part's a little messy, but just try to take out all the mango meat from the seed. Now that we're done cutting the mango, we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the blender. Next, we're gonna add half a cup of who makes mango juice. My mangoes were super sweet, so I'm not gonna add any sugar, but if you did need to add sugar, right now will be the time, and it will be about 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. We're gonna set that aside for now. In a separate plate, we're gonna put chamoy on it. And this is gonna be for the cup that we're gonna serve it in. We're gonna dip it on top, like all over the rim. It's gonna be delicious. In another plate, you're gonna put Lucas. This could be your favorite type of Lucas, but this specific one is the mango Lucas, which is my favorite. We're also going to use this for the rim of the cup. Okay, now for the good stuff. We're gonna dip our cup into the chamoy and then into the Lucas, and it's gonna create the perfect combination. You're gonna repeat this for all the cups that you're gonna have. Mmm, this already looks delicious. We're gonna add the Lucas chamoy all over the wall of the cup and on the bottom too. We're also gonna sprinkle some of that mango Lucas in there. You know I can't go without my lime. Go ahead and add a couple drops of lime in there. Okay, now with the mango pulp, you can go ahead and add it all the way to the top and let it freeze, or you can do it with ice, and that's the way I'm doing it today. If you're doing it my way, just fill it up to half for right now. Next, I'm gonna add this chamoy that's not really spicy. It's a little sweeter. If you don't like too spicy, I recommend this one. We're gonna put some ice into a blender to make some RASPA ice. Then we're gonna fill the cups almost all the way to the top. Top it off with a little bit more of the mango pulp. a little lime juice. If you have any type of tamarindo candy, you can put it on top. Right now I have these pulparindos, so I'm gonna cut them and just stick them in there. Add a little bit more pulp. And for the last toppings, we're gonna add some more of the Lucas chamoy, the Lucas mango, and some tajin. Here's the Lucas mango. And last but not least, the tajin. These turned out so good, they look so delicious. I can't wait to eat them. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Go ahead and hit the like button if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.